Hi Taurus, welcome to your reading. This is your girl, Miss Teenage Status, and today we're going to talk about your upcoming situation from July 1 to 15, 2025. So let's take a look at your overall energy. Taurus, July 1 to 15, 2025. Okay. Oh, the Wands, that come, and the transformation. Wow! Alright, so let's begin. Ooh. Okay, so first you do have the Page of Wands in upright position. This indicates an exciting opportunity, new ideas coming in, a proposition of love life, or a job opportunity, financial ideas, or you are motivated to do something and parang meron kayong idea na ay parang maganda business to, ganun. Yun yung nasa-sense ko. And you do have the Death card at the second week of July, which indicates an ending of something. Maybe you are planning to quit your job, parang yun yung nasa-sense ko because of this new opportunity, new inspiration, or you are very motivated to start something. Maybe because of business, kasi yun yung nasa-sense ko. May business kayo na naiisip na feeling nyo papatok talaga. And you are willing to risk something. Maybe your job. Ganun. So, kaya naman tayong that card. The that card is ending. Ending of something. So maybe if we are talking about job here, career opportunity, so you might be going to risk your job to start something new, to start your ideas. Okay? Or you might be changing your career. Yun yung nasa-sense ko. Alright. At the end of the week, you're going to transform yourself. Okay? Kaya sunod-sunod yan. Taurus, sunod-sunod yan. So, at the first week of July, meron tayong ideas, exciting opportunity, mga bagay na gusto nyo simulan. Kaya, pero yung mga bagay na yun, hindi nyo masimulan kaagad kasi siguro yung hindi kayang i-manage ng time nyo. Kaya you have to sacrifice something. This is an ending of something. So, you might quitting your job, quitting a part-time, ganun. Or you are working online, outsourcing something para ma-clear yung ilang oras mo and you're going to start something with this kind of business or kind of idea na nasa isip mo ngayon na alam mo papatok at sigurado magsasucess ka. Ganun. And at the end of July 15, you're going to transform yourself na you are right. Parang, thank God na yung risk na inano mo is nagbunga and you are finally receiving all the blessing, all the sacrifice na ginawa nyo. There's going to be a transformation, meaning yung worth it, parang gano'n, worth it yung risk na tinahak mo. Ganun yung sense ko sa Taurus. Okay? So, let's take a look at your Mystic Horse Oracle cards. So, here, what's your guide for Taurus this coming July 1 to 15, 2025? Bilis na pang nangyayari sa inyo, Taurus. Parang yung mga desisyon mo sa buhay is diretso lang, di ba? Except for this one with that card. kasi you're going to take a little bit of risk to start something new. And hindi nga kayo nakakamali because at the end of the day, you're going to transform. A deeper world. Nabunot ko na ito dati. Hindi ko alam kung kanina. So, don't push or force your way through life. Finding balance, even in dark times, will open your heart to the depth of compassion in every moment. So, ito ay parang guidance lang ng ating universe or angels. So, the deeper world, they remind you, Taurus, to don't push yourself. Huwag mong, pagburing masyado yung sarili mo sa kakaisip ng business na ito or sa decision making na ito. There's a time for everything, and finding balance between you and your work, time management, ganun, ay darating din sa tamang panahon o tamang oras. Yun lang ang yung reading, Taurus. Thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe.